Here we are, a family picnic at a local state park. And yes, I'm online. And so's my granddaughter over there. Both of us without a phone card. And there isn't an internet cafe in sight. How is that possible? Well, our personal Wi-Fi hotspot is right over there. It's my Dodge Ram. You see, I had my Dodge dealer install Mopar's new wireless hotspot, a unit just like this, powered by AutoNet Mobile. It's called Uconnect Web. It's an industry first that brings wireless internet connectivity to your Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge vehicle, turning your vehicle into a Wi-Fi hotspot. That allows multiple passengers to connect their own Wi-Fi gadgets to the internet all at the same time. With Uconnect Web, your kids, or in my case, grandkids, can sit in the back seat and watch video that's streaming from the internet. No DVD required. Sure, you could put a card in a mobile device to get on the internet, but that limits you to one user at a time. Uconnect Web is a true network. With Uconnect Web, everybody in your vehicle and within 100 feet of your vehicle can be on at the same time, all using different mobile devices. And Uconnect Web is great for traveling. Teens and young adults today are really into podcasting, chatting, and accessing their iTunes library. They're crazy about that stuff. And while they're engaged with instant messaging and MySpace, email, and media players, the younger ones can be occupied with cartoons, movies, PSPs, and online games. Uconnect Web can really help make a long trip a whole lot shorter. And when I stop to take a break, I can check my own emails, search out local restaurants, even make reservations. And then I get to visit my favorite website, Mopar.com, to check out the latest accessories for my Dodge. I can even send vacation photos wirelessly direct to my laptop. Now that's convenience. But Uconnect Web isn't just for fun. It's great for business too. Perfect when you're on site. For example, at a construction location or commuting between locations. Workers can access the internet, conduct business online, all while being transported from site to site. Talk about business efficiency. And Uconnect Web is compatible with all operating systems supporting Wi-Fi, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. Virtually any Wi-Fi enabled device will work, including desktops, laptops, PDAs, servers, PSPs like Sony PlayStation, iPhones, and more. And you don't need any special software or additional antennas. Simply connect your Wi-Fi device to Uconnect Web, launch your web browser, and surf.
Grandpa, you promised to play some online games with me.
I know, sweetie, I know, I promised. Let's go right now. And you out there, you go right now to your nearest Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge dealer and check out Uconnect Web and bring the internet experience to your vehicle.